Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Pudli, Professor of Management and Economics. In this video, I am dealing with meaning of market and market structure, classification of markets based on market structure, and features of different market structures. Meaning of market. Dear students, I had given 4 definitions of market in order to give comprehensive view of market. According to Gibbons, market refers to any body of persons who are in intimate business relations and carry on extensive transactions in any commodity. According to Stonier and Haig, market refers to any organization whereby buyers and sellers are kept in close touch with each other. There is no need for a market in a single building. The only essential for a market is that all buyers and sellers should be in constant touch with each other, either because they are in same building or because they are able to talk each other by telephone at a moment's notice. A market is defined as the sum total of all buyers and sellers in the area or region under consideration. The area may be earth or country or religion or state or city. A market is a composition of systems, institutions, procedures, social relations, or infrastructures whereby parties engage in exchange. Meaning of market structure. Dear students, I had given 3 definitions of market structure in order to give a comprehensive view about it. Market structure refers to the nature and degree of competition in the market for goods and services. Market structure includes 4 components, namely sellers, buyers, product, and conditions of entry and exit of the firms. Variations in these components result in different market structures. Market structure refers to interconnected characteristics of a market, including the number and relative strength of buyers and sellers, degree of freedom in determining the price, level and forms of competition, extent of product differentiation, and ease of entry into and exit from the market. Dear students, in this figure, I had explained about classification of markets on basis of market structure. Market structures or markets can be divided into 4 types. 1. Perfect competition. 2. Monopoly. 3. Monopolistic competition. And 4. Oligopoly. Dear students, I had explained about the features of different market structures in brief with the help of the figure. In case of perfect competition, product is of homogeneous type. There will be large number of sellers and large number of buyers, firms can freely enter and exit from the market. Price will be uniform everywhere in the market. In perfect competition, firms can only make decisions relating to the quantity of output. In case of monopoly, product do not have any substitute. There will be one seller and large number of buyers. Entry barriers will be there in monopoly. Price will be very high. A monopolist can change price and output, but he can change only one at a time. That means if he can change the price, he cannot change the output. If he changes the output, he cannot change the price. In case of monopolistic competition, product differentiation will be done by each firm. There will be many number of sellers, large number of buyers. Product differentiation act as entry barrier, and price will be higher than perfectly competitive market but less than monopoly market. The sellers can make decisions about product differentiation, selling and advertising expenses. In case of oligopoly, product may be homogeneous product or differentiated product. A few number of sellers will be there. Large number of buyers will be there. Few firms domination act as entry barrier. Price will be generally high. Oligopolistic firms can make decisions relating to price, product differentiation, but depends on competitor strategy. Dear students, in this video, I had dealt with the meaning of market and market structure, classification of market structures, and features of market structures in brief. Thank you.